Hello friends, let us solve some examples of applications of derivative. So let us take the example here that the side of an equilateral triangle expand at the rate of say 3 centimeter per second when the side is 12 centimeter. The rate of increase of its area is, now here you are given some options. It is 12 centimeter square per second, then 18 centimeter square per second, then 3√3 centimeter square per second, then 10 centimeter square per second. Now we know the area formula for equilateral triangle. If the side is given A, so if A is a side, then area of equilateral triangle, we know this, you need to remember, √3/4 A square. Now what we want? We want is side of equilateral triangle expand at the rate √3 centimeter per second. So we are given dA by dt is √3, okay, centimeter per second. So now what is dA, area, by dt? So that is √3/4 2A dA by dt. What we want? When the side is 12, so when A 12, the rate of increase of its area, so dA by dt, that we need to find. So √3/4, then this is 2, this is 12, and dA by dt is √3, and so this is nothing but, this is 3, so 3 and √3, so 3, 6, 9 and 2, so 18 centimeter square per second, and so answer is option B. Okay, understood? Next, let us take say an example that the volume of a sphere is increasing at the rate of pi centimeter cube per second. The rate at which the radius is increasing is when the radius is 3 centimeter. So here you are given option as 1/36 centimeter per second, 36 centimeter per second, then 9 centimeter per second, and 27 centimeter per second. Okay, now what you are given? The volume of sphere. So what is the volume of sphere? Volume of sphere is increasing at the rate of pi. So given this dV by dt equal to pi centimeter cube per second, that is given. The rate at which the radius is increasing, so we want to find dr by dt when radius is 3 centimeter. So when r equal to 3 centimeter. So here the formula for volume is 4/3 pi r cube. And so what is dv by dt? So 4 by 3 pi, chain rule apply, 3r square and dr by dt. Now just write whatever you are given. So dv by dt is pi, 4 by 3 pi, this 3 you can even have the cancel, so you don't need to write this 3 here. So this is even. Okay, next step, pi also cancel, 4 pi r is 3, so this is 3 square and dr by dt. So now this pi is also cancel, 3 square is 9, 9 4s are 36, so this is 1 by 36 dr by dt. So answer is 1 by 36 centimeter per second. So this option A is the answer. Okay, next let us see third example, that a cone with its height equal to the diameter of the base is expanding in volume at the rate of 50 centimeter cube per second. If the base has area 1 meter square, the radius is increasing at the rate blank. Okay, so the option are 0.0025 centimeter per second, 0.25 centimeter per second, 1 centimeter per second, and 4 centimeter per second. Now see, cone with its height equal to diameter, so h is equal to 2r, expanding in volume at the rate of 50 centimeter cube. So you are given dv by dt equal to 50 centimeter cube per second. Okay, if the base has area 1 meter square, now base is what? So cone is there, base is circle, so base is pi r square, and that we are given as 1 meter square. Now take care, here you are given the data in centimeter, so that should be written as 100 into 100 centimeter square, and therefore r square equal to 100 over pi. Okay, that we need to take care. So that is the r square. Now what is the formula for volume of cone? So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, but now we need h is to be 2r, so this is 1 by 3 pi r square into 2r, so this is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube, and therefore dv by dt equal to 2 by 3 pi 3 r square dr by dt. what do we want? We want radius is increasing, so we want dr by dt. Dr by dt is question mark. Okay, dv by dt, now the data is given, so dv by dt is 50. So 50, this 3 cancel, 2 pi r. What is r? R square. So we write r square as 100 over pi and into dr by dt. So that's all. So this pi cancel. So now it is nothing but this 2 and 50. So we write 25 over 100 into 100. That is dr by dt. And therefore dr by dt equal to 0.0025 centimeter per second. So the option is 0.0025. So A option is there. Okay. Next, let us take 4. So the question is, the rate of change of surface area of a sphere with respect to radius is, now options are 8 pi diameter. Second, 3 pi diameter. Third, 4 pi radius. And fourth, 8 pi radius. Okay, not difficult. Now the rate of change of surface area. What is the formula for surface area for a sphere? So it is 4 pi r square. But with respect to radius, so we need ds by dr. And ds by dr is 8 pi r. So can we write this as 8 pi into radius? R is radius. So answer is 8 pi into radius. So D option is there. Next, the question is, the rate of change of volume of cylinder with respect to radius. Whose radius is equal to height is, so here the options are 4 into area of base. Second, 3 into area of base. 2 into area of base and area of base. Okay, so now what we are given? Rate of change of volume. So what is formula for volume for cylinder? So it is pi r square h, but with respect to radius, so dv by dr. And dv by dr is, okay, one more thing you are given, radius is equal to height. So h is equal to r you are given. So therefore we are having v equal to pi r cube. And dv by dr is pi 3r square. So we can write 3 into pi r square. So that is area of base. So option is B. Okay. Next let us see Next example is, the question is the rate of increase, increasing variable is of cube 3 centimeter per second. Question is, find the increasing rate of volume of cube when length of is 10 centimeter. So here the options are 700 centimeter per second, 900 centimeter cube per second, 500 centimeter cube per second, and 900 centimeter per second. Now what we are having? Rate of increase of variable age. So let x be the age of a cube. And now what we are given? Increasing rate of increase of variable age. So dx by dt. So that is given 3 centimeter per second. Find the increasing rate of volume. So dv by dt we need to find when the length of age. So when x equal to 10 centimeter. So very easy question. What is volume formula? X cube. And therefore dv by dt equal to 3x square dx by dt. So 3 10 square and dx by dt is given to be 3. So the answer is 900. But take care, this is volume. So that is centimeter cube per second. So the option is B. Okay. Simple. Next let us see okay. Next, the stone is moving a stone. We drop a stone in a quiet lake, and we know if we drop the stone, then there will be a circular ripples. So we are given that ripples move at a speed of radius increasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per second. Question is, how fast is the area? Okay, increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. So here you are given the options are 20 pi centimeter square per second, then 50 pi centimeter square per second, then 100 pi centimeter square per second, and 100 centimeter square per second. Now the waves are circular. So what we are given? We are given the radius increasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per second. So dr by dt equal to 5 centimeter per second. We want to find dA by dt when r equal to 10 centimeter. So that's very easy. So now what is A? A is pi r square, and therefore dA by dt equal to pi, then 2r dr by dt. So now dr by dt is given. So 2 pi, what is r? R is 10 and dr by dt is 5. So answer is 100 pi. centimeter square per second. So 100 pi centimeter square per second. Okay, so C option is there. Okay, next let us see air is being pumped into a spherical balloon so that its volume increasing at the rate of 80 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the radius of the balloon increasing when the diameter is 32 centimeter? So here the options given is 1 upon 64 pi centimeter per second, then 5 upon 64 pi centimeter per second, 15 upon 64 pi centimeter per second, and 5 upon pi centimeter per second. Now it is spherical, so B is the 4. So we are having volume. Now what you are given? Volume increasing. So dV by dt, that is given 80 centimeter cube per second. Radius we want, so dr by dt, but when, take care, diameter is 32, that means r is 16 centimeter. So now what is formula for V? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So dV by dt equal to 4 by 3 pi 3r square dr by dt, and therefore now dV by dt is given 80. This 3 cancel, 4 pi, r is 16, so 16 square and dr by dt. So now we can simplify. So 80 over 4 pi 16 dr by dt, and so we are having dr by dt equal to 16 5s, so 5 upon 64 pi. Now dr by dt, so it is centimeter per second. So answer is B option. Okay, next let us see the volume of cube. The volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Find the rate at which the surface area is increasing when the length of edge of the cube 10 centimeters. So it's not difficult. So here the options you are given is 0.48 centimeter square per second, then 48 centimeter square per second, then 4.8 centimeter square per second, and 24 centimeter square per second. Now say x is the age, then what you are given? Volume of cube. So you are given dV by dt 12 centimeter cube per second. You want to find surface area. So say as surface area, then we want to find ds by dt when x equal to 10 centimeter. Now, what is the formula for volume? That is nothing but x cube. So dv by dt equal to 3x square dx by dt. Now dv by dt is 12, 3x is 10. So we want dx by dt, and that dx by dt we can put x dx by dt 3x square. So it is 10 square and dx by dt. So that is dx by dt equal to, this is 4 by 100 centimeter per second. Now, what is the formula for surface area? So surface area 6 faces, each face is square, so it is 6x square, and therefore ds by dt equal to 12x dx by dt. So it is 12, x is 10, dx by dt is 4 by 100, and so we are having this is 10, 48 by 10, so that is 4.8, and since it is surface area, it is centimeter square per second. So answer is 4.8 centimeter square per second. Now let us take one or two more example. So next is, say suppose you are given like this, the total cost in rupees associated with the production of X units of an item is given by Cx is equal to 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 10x plus 10,000. The question is, what is the marginal cost when x is 20? So when 20 units are produced. So friends, I just easy give you the method, and it's not difficult. Options here given as 16.8 rupees, then 15, then 15.2 and 16. But it's simple. The C is given. The answer is dc by dx. This is our marginal cost, and I request you to just find the solution. It's not difficult. So here you will get the answer as 15.2. Okay, just find dc by dx and put x equal to 20. Okay. Similarly, if you are given the function revenue, okay, if you are given a revenue function, and if you are asked to find marginal revenue, then it is dr by dx. Okay, so that you need to take care. So suppose you are given an example here that Rx is given as 10x square, say plus 20x plus 1500. Okay, and then at So when x equal to 5, marginal revenue is blank. So just try and find. You will get the answer as 120 rupees. Okay. Thank you.